Welcome to today's class on content writing and copywriting mastery class. Dear friends, content writing and copywriting. Most of the people feel that content writing is writing like articles on newspapers or for writing something letters like that. We know, and most of the people feel that copywriting means copying and pasting or copying like that. So feeling like that. So copy content writing is a very important tool in the website in the digital platform. Content we can call as content as a king. Content is the king for everything, right? So media is playing a vital role in today's generation, right? So what media does? They do content writing and copywriting. So digital marketers do copywriting and all the website bloggers do content writing. So content can change the people's mind, can encourage the people's mind, can give a lot of knowledge content. So that's why content is called as a content is the king, and we will try to discuss all of the points regarding to content writing today's class. Okay, so next, go to the next slide. So content will help you in generating traffic, generating leads, generating sales, generating income. It will help you to build a strong trust factor. Okay, generating traffic, generating leads, generating sales, generating income. All these things can be done by just simply writing content. So as we have seen some blogs, what is written on the blogs? Just they have written a complete details regarding some product or some regarding any for any uh, you know uh, we can write the content for any deliberating articles on products, services, or any other information. See, previously we have seen that so many people have written the blogs on some particular articles. Best smartphones under 20,000, 15,000, more than 50,000. Best laptops under 50,000, like that. We have seen some blogs. So many people have started writing the blogs on the internet. So why, if your content, for example, someone who is searching in the internet in the Google platform. So in the search engine, whatever the people write in the search engine, exact match, people will see who is written the article on this exact keyword. So when we open such kind of keywords, we have seen that several things people have written. So by writing the content on the blog, we can generate good traffic. If our content is good for the audience, we can generate good traffic also. If our traffic, after getting traffic, if we show the exact content to the person who is searching a lot on the internet, then what happens? If you purchase, if you keep any product link there, for example, one person is there, he wants to buy a best laptops under 1 lakh rupees. He asked his friends and he searched internet. Some blogs he has written, he has searched, but no blog has given good content. And then he goes to YouTube. Presently, information technology is booming like something, right?
बात आहे बघ काय
So
दूधवाल्याला दूध घ्यायचंय.
what
माझे का?
is my voice visible to you, audible to you, all of you?
12
Please,
12
mute your
मला पैसे
mobile
भरायचे साधन
cameras or audio. Please mute
नाही
your
भरले
audio.
अजून ते मेसेज वाटतं तेच फोन होता.
After the completion of the class, you can ask your doubts, you can talk. Okay, so content is mainly basically written for generating the traffic. If your content is good, your traffic will be more. Traffic means the number of people, those who
असले 7 भरायचे आहेत मला.
hello, I'm requesting Akash, so please mute yourself. Okay. So generating traffic, generating leads. So if your traffic is much on your blog, you can generate the leads as well. For at least 100 people, one to 10 people can buy. There is a probability of a successful conversion of your traffic at least to 2 to 5%, right? So if your traffic, if your content is good, you can generate some more leads as well. There are so many people, those who are written content on the particular topic, and they are generating good leads. If your content is not good, you cannot generate, though you have a lot of content, some hundreds of blogs, though if you have written, but if you are not, if your content is not exactly what the people are searching for, then you cannot get a good traffic, and people won't buy your products or service or anything, right? So that's why content is a very important, and which is because which is playing a key role in generating traffic and generating leads. And after getting the leads, you can get the sales as well, right? And then generating income as well. All these things are related to what finally the every blogger's goal is what, to generate income, right? So they have chosen the platform blogging. So content writing. So content writing is one of the very high demand skill as well. Most of the people. So in, see, for example, let me tell you. Yesterday I have seen an article which is telling that in the world, India is one of the biggest company in the world. India is leading in the top position under what? Unemployment. See how much shocking news is for us this one. India is the world's largest populated country in the world. But at the same time, though Indian people, among all the people who lives in India, India is one of the country in the world where young generation is more. Though young generation is more, here unemployment is also more. Why? Because they don't know how many opportunities are there, how they can generate income by using the internet. They are well educated people. They have completed degrees. They have completed PGs, university degrees. Though they have, but they are still sitting at home, and they are unaware of all the opportunities which internet and internet is providing us, digital platform is providing us. Everybody knows, right? Content creation is very very important, very very easy as well. So in the upcoming slides, I will tell you how much easy to create the content in today's generation. Very, very easy. Practically, we are going to see as well. So anyhow, so dear friends, content is a very important. Content makes a very important role in the present era. How many years of experience we need? So many people will be having this kind of doubt. So how many years experience is needed for writing a good article? So in fact, the answer is absolutely zero. With zero knowledge, with zero years of experience as well, you can create a beautiful content by using the AI tools, right? AI tools are there now. Chat GPT. How many of you know Chat GPT? Just raise your hands. How many of you know the Chat GPT? How many of you know the Chat GPT, dear friends? Okay. Anyone? Okay, we will see. So anyhow, so ChatGPT is one of the leading content generation, content creation tool. I will explain you in detail in the upcoming classes. So everybody can do this job of content creation. Okay. So questions in your mind maybe, I'm not good at English, spelling mistakes problem. I'm not a good story writer. Then how can you create content for any blog or any article or any blog post, web page? How can I create the content? Like that, everybody will be having some questions in your mind. And even we see that in order to write any letter to our principal, to or any other commissioner, or to any some officer, we might have taken some friends help. Have you taken help, or are you a good content writer? So from according to me, I'm very much interested in content writing from the beginning, and I'm also very much interested in learning English. Still, I am a learner only. So people may be having some doubt that I am not a good writer, and how can I write the content for the any blog? So, dear friends, as I told you, you no need to worry about this one. For every problem we have a good solution, and this is the era of you know artificial intelligence, and for everything there are so many AI tools are coming right now, and we can, by using all of those tools, we can create and we can solve our problems. So one thing, what is content writing and copywriting? Now, content and copy. In both these things, what is the difference? Content will be there, but they are different from each other. Content writing is specially used for creating the content for your blog articles, or for your web pages, or for your home pages. Whenever you are going to design any website, you need content. You have to write the content for blog post or for any business. You have to write in detail content related to that particular product or service or any other business, right? So that is called as content. So content is also used for our media also, print media, electronic media, so all the print media uses what? Content writing. They use content. They write articles on each and every topic which is presently going in the world. Every day they update the content. So that is simply the content. So now next, coming to copywriting. Copywriting means, dear friends, for running ads as a digital marketer, we have to write ad copy. Okay, we have to write an ad copy. We have to prepare the ad copy. We have to make a good video visualization. Okay, the copy which we are going to give to the ad purpose. That ad, how it looks. We have yesterday also seen some sponsored ads, right? On the Facebook, some sponsored ads. Yesterday, we have seen one, complete campaign regarding to the Facebook ads. So you have seen that I too have posted one blog, one post on the Facebook page. We have seen one complete campaign, practical campaign related to creating the copy. So that is called as copy. Copy is simply remember that ad copy. Okay, copywriting is completely related to ad. Okay, so coming to the next one. In now we will try to elaborate in detail regarding the content writing and copywriting. Content writing, how to write an article, how to write a web content. So these are the basic two questions you may have in your doubt. So tips for content writing. Today I'm going to show you several tips, not only these 15, along with these, some more tips. Okay, these are the major tips which our experts have suggested. So I have a question. I have generated the these kind of tips by using the AI tool as well, and I will show you how the AI tool ChatGPT also given an exact and very good content related tips for writing an article. Okay, so first one, talk to a friend. Tips for content writing. So you have to remember all of these tips by whenever you are going to write an article. You must have to remember all of these things. First one is what? Talk to a friend. When you are doing conversation with your friend, how you explain the things which you have bought or whatever you have, or you are when you are going to tell your any kind of story or any information to your friend, how you will talk to your friend. Same way, your conversation will be in a very simple manner. You won't use an expert English, right? You talk to your friend. You talk with your friend in a very simple manner. Yes, and so like that, you have to imagine, uh, and while you are going to write an article, when you are going to write a content for your blog, you have to remember that I am talking with my close friend, and I'm trying to explain him something. In such a way, you have to write your article. Okay, you start writing from today onwards. Try to write an article on any topic. Okay, first, as I told you, niche selection topic. In selection topic itself, I have teach you how to select your niche. Okay, your niche should be a very a good thing in which you are most probably interested, and after taking that niche, you can sustain for a long time also. So choose such a good and very interesting topic, which is very which you likes most, which you like most. You choose such a topic and start writing blogs on such kind of topics, and you can easily search on the internet also how some other competitors, other content writers have written the article on that particular niche, and try to acquire all the models, ideas for your content, and you start your own content writing. Okay, so you while you are going to write the content for any blog, you have to remember the second point as use short sentences, not as paragraphs, long, long paragraph, big, big paragraphs. Write an essay. You have written so many essays in your, study, right? So while we are going to study, when we have written the long, long answer for the essays, so you should not have to repeat the same here. Just whatever you are writing, you have to write in short, short sentences, 2 to 3 lines enough, 2 to 3 lines enough. Like that, you can write some 1500 to 2000 characters. But and everyone who came to your website to see your blog will be easy to read your article. It should be easy to read your article. If you have written long content without maintaining sentences, nobody will look. They will just come and see. That's it. Immediately they will close. Nobody having that much of time right now, right? So that's why, so short, short sentences you have to maintain. Your subheading matters a lot. Okay, subheading also very, very important, dear friends. Headings matters a lot. So one person has, as I already told you, one person written an article on a particular niche, and he has given that ad copy. He has tried to acquire the traffic for the content, but and he also given the ad copy for that blog. He run the ads for by giving that website link as well, or blog link. He has seen that so very very leads, very less leads are coming to him, and very less sales are happening. Then what happens, he consulted one expert. He suggested just to change your headline. He looked once again his complete article, and he suggested, dear brother, you just change your headline and sub-headlines. It matters a lot. After changing the headlines and sub-headlines, he has experienced that some 30% of revenue has been generated, increased a lot. So that is the importance of headline. So if your headline is not good and your content is good, what the first people will look? Headline only. So by looking headline, only people will imagine, will understand what about these, what will be about these. Okay, they may show their interest according to the headline only. If they like the headline, they will be able to read the complete article. Have you seen how the people are trying to generate the traffic on their blogs? In newspapers, have you seen how people have written the articles? Very big change. Question mark. What is that? Everybody, if somebody has written like that. So what is very big change? Very big change in IT. Like that they written some articles. And they skip down, complete headline. Somebody will look what is what is the big change coming in IT. Everybody will go and click that article and they started writing. So it is happening. Why? And they why that so, they mesmerize the people by creating such kind of articles, headlines. So that is one of the art of writing the article headlines. So you too have to write the articles in such a way that people should come to read entire your topic. You have to give your headline in such a way that people should show some interest. They should become eager to write or read your complete article. So your headline should be like that, and such kind of headlines matters a lot for all the articles, because content is a very huge thing. So many 15 to 200 2000 content characters are will be there, but to call the people to read all of these things, you have to give some little good attractive headlines. So that's why headlines are very, very important, and highlight the sentences also. In the middle of the your complete paragraphs, you have to highlight some things, because the highlights will attract the audience or attract the right readers, those who came to your article for reading. Okay, you have to change the color of the headlines. Okay, highlight the sentences as well. You might have seen so many blog articles how the people are trying to change the mindset of the people, and trying to attract the people to read complete sentences. So that's why you have to highlight the sentences as well. And the fifth part is use numbers in the title. Okay, if you have so many titles, you can give the titles as numbers. Okay, next one, sixth one, use a very simple English language. Okay, so that everyone can be able to understand your article and can try to spend some more time to understand each and everything what you have written on your article or blog post. Okay, now next one is seventh point, create hard for your article. Create hard for your article means some headlines you have to give in such a way that you can show some images as well. Okay, call to action button, like that. Hard means simply you have to engage the people by showing some images or videos or something which is getting attracted by the people. They should be attracted. They should give the thing which is stealing their heart, like that. Create heart for your article, like that. You have to write your articles. Next one, eighth one, do not worry about article length. Okay, you concentrate on the things which we are showing you right now. So, and you do whatever the content, characters maybe there in your on the particular topic of your content. You no need to worry as much as content you can write. But so the ideal case is 15 to, in some cases, 500 articles, content characters. 1500 characters to 2000 characters is also ideal for any for making any understanding, for making people to understand regarding anything. 15 to 2000 words or characters are much enough. Next one, create, do not copy from others. Okay, do not worry about liver length. And the ninth one is do not copy from others. So you should not copy exactly what the people have written on their articles. You can spy the articles of others. You can take the ideas of others, but you should not have to exactly copy how the people have written. Just copying, pasting, it won't rank on the internet. There are so many AI tools which are present on the internet, and Google search engine is also a very advanced tool. It will you see there are so many Billboard is one of the website. If you copy paste anything and you have to, if you post your content on the Billboard a platform, you may see that it may show you how much of the content has been copied from other websites. It will give the exact percentage as well. It will directly give these website billboard will show that how much content has been copied from other websites. It will give the data, complete data as well, with percentage, 80%, 90%, 100% copied data is only like that it will show. So that's why, dear friends, you should not have to copy. You to know how to write, as I told you, talk to a friend. Just you take the idea and write the idea of the content in such a way that you are trying to explain the total thing to your friend. So use your own English. Okay, that's more enough. And next one is whatever you feel, you just write. Okay, and no need to tense about, oh, I'm not a copywriter, I'm not a journalist. How can I write the articles for others? Should not have to hesitate. You just start writing something. Okay, from your school, childhood, you have written so many letters for your teachers or headmasters or principals, anything, right? So in such a way, you have to start writing, and you have written so many exams as well, right? So writing an article or content is a very very easy thing, if you think. So next one, go to the point. You should not have to explain unnecessary things. Whatever the point or headline you have given, to the point you have to written your article. Okay, do not try to confuse articles, audience. If you are written article such a way that people are engaging or going to others, they are just simply exiting your content. You should not do like that, because if you maintain exact point to point, to the point, people's engagement on your content will be increased. The time limit, the time span, spending time on your article will be also increased. The number of people engaged on your content also will be improved. If you have some 10 to 20 pages on your blog article, if the people have just by seeing the or reading the first article itself, if they are able to, if they are exiting your page, you imagine how, though one, you have written some 15 to 20 articles or 100 articles, what is the use of that? That's why, so you have to maintain to the point. Your article should be, should not have to write any unnecessary things or any other thing, okay, which is not related to that one. Next one, think smart. You have to think smart while explaining. You too have written, and you too have read so many articles from various websites, right? So which tips are inspired you more to read the complete article, to note down all of those things, and you can take the tips, smart thing, tips also from the internet, as I will show you later on. You concentrate on all of those smart tips as well, so that you too have to implement all of those ideas while writing your article content. Okay, next one, 13th one, cover all the topics. Okay, cover all the topics related to your niche, whatever you select. Cover all the topics related to that one. In the upcoming classes, I will show you all the websites. Just you enter your article name, keyword, it will give n number of article writing ideas, so that you can cover all the topics related to that. Okay. So in the upcoming classes, we will try to learn in detail regarding the how to cover all the topics related to a particular topic, so that our content can we can, so that we can improve the n number of blog posts on our website. Know your audience. Try to know and understand your audience. Who, to whom you are going to target by using the, by writing the article. To whom you are going to target, what kind of people's engagement you need. Your target should be very clear. If you have target of with so many people, then your topics content will be disturbed. So you have to target particularly target one thing. See, we have seen several articles, several blog posts. In that, people are focusing on only one thing. So that niche is different, micro niche is different. Niche is one category of interest, health, wealth, make money online, okay, shopping, passion, relationship. All these are the niches. Under niches also we have sub niches under every category. So you have to target your particular audience and you have to completely focus on that audience only, so that your engagement on that particular topic will be enormously increased. So you have to remember all of these topics. The last one among on this topic or on this page is have a right call to action button. Okay, this is very important, dear friends. After showing your ad or writing your complete article, what you want to engage, what you want, what is your goal. We have seen yesterday while we are putting the ad, right to call action button, right call action button is very important. Your intention is to make to get the so many calls, but you are keeping the call to action button as message to sign up. Do you get any call? No, no call will you will get, because according to your call button or your call to action button, CAB, call to action, or CTA, call to action, CTA is important. Okay, so your it should be very clear what is your goal after writing content. So generate your call to action button is to convert your traffic into leads, and to convert your leads into sales, and convert your sales into your income. So that is the strategy we need to maintain. So according to that one, we need to have to put our call to action button. Okay. Next one, copywriting. Up to now, content writing is completely over. So I will conclude this topic here, and then I will again, start the copywriting topic.